I have squared all of my mesh. Okay, so this was 10.5 inches, so I squared it at 10.5. I use zip ties because it's easier for me to use zip ties. If you want to use your electric band, you most definitely can. Okay, so squared at 10.5. It is diamond shape. We're going to bring bottom just past middle, top just past middle. Y'all, I do not measure. I just eyeball it. So this is kind of what I'm looking for. I know that's what I said. That was a lot of prep for this kit. But you do not need to do this. You can make 2 wreaths out of that one kit. Okay. I know I did the math. So then I'm going to take my right hand, hold this down, and I'm going to bring the left tip to the right tip. Okay, so we're just kind of lining those up. This does not need to be perfect because this end is going to be in your zip tie. Okay. And then I'm just going to pinch that middle, bring our sides in. So that's what we have. Take my zip tie. Bring it tight, not too tight yet, because I'm going to line this up. I want a 3.5 inch tail, and that will ensure that the majority of my petals are pretty much the same all the way around, right? So I'm lining this tip up at a 1/2 inch, and we've got 1, 2, 3, and look, it is almost exactly on that line. Go, Michelle. And then you can zip that up tight and just cut it off. Now we're going to flip it upside down, and we're going to take our fingers and we're going to open up this inside. See how you can go right inside? Hello. So we're going to bring those insides together. I'm going to take another zip tie, run it right around that inside mesh, and then we're going to walk it up, walkie, and then we're going to tighten that up, and then continue to walk it up and zip it tight. And then cut that off. And there's your 3D daisy petal. And then all we have to do is trim that up. And we're ready to rock and roll.